Hello, in this Python programming tutorial, we are going to look at overriding methods. So we got this vehicle class right here, we got this car class right here, which inherits from the vehicle class. And like I said, it inherits, its attributes, so speed, the increased speed method, that sort of stuff. But what if we want a slight different like functionality to one of the methods, so increase speed, we can do that, and that's called overriding methods. And the way you do it is simply implement it within the child class, because if it's not implemented, it has the parent's behavior as default. If it's implemented, it has its own behavior as default. So if I do increase speed instead, maybe I want to actually times it instead. So now if we were to run this, so let's just dry run the code. So we get 10, increase weight for child car, we get 19, that's fine. We get 0 for the speed, so let's increase the speed of the child car. So now let's do child car dot increase speed, and we'll put 5, and what's going to happen is still going to print out 0 because the default of 0. So let's just do 1 instead. So now okay, so look, 10, 19, increase speed by 5. We should increase, by default there is an actually, but we shouldn't put 0 there. And when we create the child car, we're going to press in, let's just say 5. So rerun it. There we go. So we got 10, 19. That's fine. But when we increase the speed, it doesn't add it, it times it. So obviously, it's a very simple example, but that is the principle of overriding methods. A child class inherits its parents' methods. If you want slightly different or entirely different functionality, but the same name, the same parameters, same structure of calling it essentially, you can override the method. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.